Hello class, how are you all? I hope you all are doing good. So students, welcome once again to your GK class. I, Achal Singh, welcoming you all once again to your GK class. So students, in our previous session, we have discussed about the Olympics, okay, and the various events or in the various countries where these Olympics events were held. The last four Olympic events were held, okay, so that we have discussed in our previous session. So today we are going to start with the next topic from our GK book, that is body talk. Okay, so we will revise the next topic that is given at page number 43, that is body talk. Not, it's not 43, it's 42. Okay, let me try it. The leader number is a little bit blur. So the page number is 42 and the topic is body talk. Okay, so all of you open your books at page number 42, that is body talk. Okay, so this is the topic that we are going to start in today's session, that is body talk. Okay, and it is given at page number 42. Okay, so first thing is that what is the meaning of body talk? Okay, so what in this topic we will discuss about the various functions of various organs of our body. देखिए हमारी बॉडी के बहुत सारे फंक्शन हैं and every organ in our body have their own functions which are very essential part for of our life. Okay, so we need to breathe, we need to eat, we need to see as well, we touch. Okay, so different organs there you can as you can see. Okay, there are different organs that are present in our body and the function of each and every organ is different from each other, and every organ in our body is very important because they play a very vital role in functioning of our daily activities. Okay, so that is body talk. So here in this topic we will discuss about the various organs of our body. So here the heading is given. Here are some questions about our body, our wonderful body. Pick your answers from the help box. So here some questions are given in this and we are going to answer these questions. Okay, starting with the first one. So the first question is, which is the largest external organ in human body? So here we are talking about the largest external organ. External organ means हमारी बॉडी के बाहर की जो ऑर्गन्स है. ओके, एक्सटर्नल ऑर्गन्स मीन्स the organs that are present outside. और देखिए there are certain organs, there are internal organs in our body, there are external organs in our body. Okay, so external organs that we can see like our face, our skin, our hands, our eyes. Okay, some part of our eyes are inside also as well, our mouth, some is inside them. So these are the external organs. Okay, whereas there are some internal organs which are present inside our body like our heart, liver, lungs, intestines. Okay, and many other parts there. Okay, so here the question is, which is the largest external organ? हमारी बॉडी का सबसे बड़ा external organ, the organ that is present outside of body, that are known as external organs. Okay, so which is the largest external organ in human body? That is our skin. This is skin. ये जो skin है हमारी. Okay, the skin with which we can feel, we can touch. Okay, हमें पता लगता है कि जैसे like my right hand is warm. ओके, माई लेफ्ट हैंड कैन फील दैट. ठंडा होगा तो ठंडा फील करेगा. ठीक है, जल जाता है कभी, कुछ गर्म लग जाता है तो आई जस्ट फील द बर्न ऑल्सो. ओके, सो दिस इज द सेंस दैट आई फील विद माई स्किन. ओके, सो क्वेश्चन इज विच इज़ द लार्जेस्ट एक्सटर्नल ऑर्गन? हमारी बॉडी के बाहर एक्सटर्नली कौन सा सबसे बड़ा ऑर्गन है? दैट इज आवर स्किन. सो द लार्जेस्ट एक्सटर्नल ऑर्गन इन ह्यूमन बॉडी इज skin. So the answer of the first question is that is skin. So skin is the largest external organ in human body. Skin is the largest external organ in human body. Moving next to the second one, what is the name of the thick bone cage that protects our brain? Okay, so where is brain present? So brain, here we are having our brains. Okay, and the question is, what is the name of the thick bone cage that protects our brain? So there is a thick bone, एक मोटा सा केज है, ओके, जिसको हम बोलेंगे पिंजरा, जो कि हमारे ब्रेन को प्रोटेक्ट करता है. ओके, दैट प्रोटेक्ट्स आवर ब्रेन. सो व्हाट इज that called? So you know there's a cage of bones. तो हड्डियों का एक बोन है, एक केज है. यू कैन, इफ यू टच योर हेड, ओके, तो आपको हार्ड हार्ड नजर आता है. व्हाट इज दैट? दैट इज द केज ऑफ आवर ब्रेन. ओके, सो दैट इज द केज ऑफ आवर ब्रेन. वो हमारे ब्रेन का, हमारे दिमाग का एक पिंजरा है. ओके, एंड दैट इज मेड ऑफ थिक बोन्स, और ये मोटी हड्डियों से बना हुआ है. Okay, so what is the name of the thick bone cage that protects our brain? So the thick bone cage that protects our brain is, that is skull. That is skull. skull, skull. Okay, so what is the name of the thick bone cage that protects our brain? That is skull. skull. That is skull. That is skull. So the thick bone cage that is present, okay, that protects our brain from getting damaged, or you can say that it works as the cage for our brain, that is our skull. Okay, moving next to the third one, which muscle helps to digest food? हमारी बॉडी में ऐसा कौन सा मसल है जो कि हमें हमारा खाना डाइजेस्ट करने में हेल्प करता है? सो विच मसल इन ह्यूमन बॉडी हेल्प्स अस टू डाइजेस्ट आवर फूड? सो दैट इज स्मूथ. Okay, so that is smooth. So smooth is the muscle that helps our body, okay, that helps us टू डाइजेस्ट फूड. देखिए, जो हम खाना खाते हैं, अनटिल एंड जब तक वो डाइजेस्ट नहीं होगा, देखिए आपने कई बार देखा ना, कई बार हम जब ओवर ईटिंग कर लेते हैं, सो यू जस्ट फील अनकम्फर्टेबल, आपको अनकम्फर्टेबल, कई लोगों को वॉमिटिंग्स होने लगती हैं, ठीक है, पेट में अजीब सा फील होने जाता है, पेट भारी हो जाने लगता है. ओके, सो basically these problem occurs in the older ages. Okay, so they, मतलब that person is not able to digest their food properly. Okay, तो वो अपना खाना अच्छे से digest नहीं कर पाते, and they face various problems with that. Okay, so in this question it is being asked that now we are talking about the muscle. Okay, so there is a muscle also in our body that helps us to digest our food, जो कि हमें हमारा खाना digest करने में, हजम करने में help करती है. So what is the name of that muscle? That is smooth. That is smooth. Third one, smooth. SMOOTH. That is smooth. So smooth helps us to digest our food. Okay. Moving next to the fourth one. The fourth one is, through which organ does food go from mouth to the stomach? ओके, किस ऑर्गन से, देखिए हम खाना खाते हैं, दैट गोज टू आवर स्टमक थ्रू अ ऑर्गन इन आवर बॉडी. ओके, सो देयर इज एन ऑर्गन, ओके, जो कि हमारा खाना हमारे माउथ से हमारे स्टमक मीन्स पेट तक लेके जाता है. ओके, ऐसा नहीं होता बेटा दैट यू जस्ट ईट द फूड एंड वो डायरेक्ट अंदर चला जाएगा. ओके, तो दैट जब आप खाना खाते हो, दैट स्लोली मूव्स थ्रू हेयर एंड धीरे 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 इट गोज इन टू योर स्टमक. ओके, सो देयर इज एन ऑर्गन इनसाइड आवर बॉडी विच मूव्स द फूड फ्रॉम आवर माउथ टू आवर स्टमक, जो कि हमारे मुंह से जो हमारा खाना है हमारे पेट तक लेके जाता है. ओके, थ्रू विच ऑर्गन डज आवर फूड गो फ्रॉम माउथ टू द स्टमक? दैट इज food pipe. So the food through food pipe our जो हमारा खाना है, our food goes from our excuse me, so through our through the food pipe that is present over here, okay, that moves the food from our mouth to our stomach. तो जो फूड पाइप है जो हमारी अंदर, तो वो हमारा खाना धीरे धीरे हमारे मुंह से धीरे धीरे हमारे पेट तक लेके जाती है. ओके, सो दैट ऑर्गन इज फूड पाइप. आपने देखा होगा कई बार खाते खाते एकदम से आपको बहुत ज़बरदस्त खांसियाँ लगी, जिसको हम कहते हैं खाना टक गया. ओके, तो क्या होता है कि जब हमारा खाना हमारी जो ब्रीदिंग जो हमारी जिसको हम सांस की नली बोलते हैं उसमें चला जाता है, सो क्या होता है कि फिर वी आर नॉट, जो वो हमारी जो सांस लेने वाली पाइप है उसको ब्लॉक कर देता है. ओके, एंड जिसकी वजह से हमें एकदम से खांसी आने लग जाती है बहुत तेज़. ओके, और फिर जब कोई पीछे से बम करे तो खाना जब निकलता है देन वी कैन इजीली ब्रीथ. ओके, सो वैसे ही देयर इज अ फूड पाइप. ओके, फूड पाइप एंड जो ब्रीदिंग पाइप है दोनों इकट्ठी अलग अलग होती हैं, अगल बगल होती हैं. ओके, so जो the food we eat that goes into our stomach through our food pipe. Okay, so the answer of the fourth one is that is food pipe. So that is food pipe. That is food pipe. Moving next to the fifth one. How many teeth does an adult have? एक अडल्ट के कितने दांत होते हैं? How many teeth does an adult have? An adult has 32 teeth. Okay, an adult have 32 teeth. देखिए एक अडल्ट के कितने दांत होते हैं? That is 32. आपने सुना होगा एक ग्रोन अप पर्सन के दे ऑलवेज हैव, मतलब दे हैव 32. मतलब ऐसा नहीं कि उससे कम नहीं हो सकते, बट मतलब एक प्रॉपर यू कैन सी द प्रॉपर नंबरिंग ऑफ एन द टीथ ऑफ एन अडल्ट इज 32. ओके, सो दैट इज 32. एन अडल्ट हैज 32. 32 you can write in numbers or you can write like this. That is 32. An adult have 32 teeth. Okay, so these are the answers from 1 to 5. Moving next to the sixth one, which is the largest internal organ in human body. एक human body के अंदर सबसे बड़ा internal organ, तो देखिए in the first question we have discussed about the largest external organ and now we are discussing about the largest internal organ. So which is the largest internal organ in human body? That is liver. So liver is the largest internal organ in a human body. Okay, so the largest internal means the organs that are present in the human inside the human body, they are known as internal organ. So the largest internal organ in human body is liver. That is liver. So the largest internal organ in human body is liver. The largest internal organ present in our human body is liver. Moving next to seventh one. Which organ in our body pumps blood? Okay, हमारी बॉडी में ऐसा कौन सा ऑर्गन है that pumps blood, जो कि ब्लड को पंप करता है? Okay, that provides blood to the various parts of our body. You know, for functioning of each and every part of body we need blood. ओके, इसलिए जब किसी को ब्लड की कमी हो जाती है, खून की कमी हो जाती है, सो डॉक्टर सजेस्ट देम टू ईट मोर एप्पल्स एंड कैरेट्स. ओके, ताकि जो खून की कमी है वो पूरी हो सके बॉडी के अंदर. ओके, एंड ब्लड प्लेज अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट रोल इन द फंक्शनिंग ऑफ द इंटरनल ऑर्गन्स ऑफ आवर बॉडी. ओके, सो हियर द क्वेश्चन इज विच ऑर्गन इन आवर बॉडी पंप्स ब्लड? हमारी बॉडी के अंदर कौन सा ऐसा ऑर्गन है जो कि ब्लड पंप करता है? ओके, सो दैट प्रोवाइड्स द ब्लड टू द ईच एंड एवरी पार्ट ऑफ द ह्यूमन बॉडी. सो दैट इज आवर हार्ट, हमारा दिल. ओके, सो द हार्ट provides, or you can say pumps blood to the each and every organ of human body. Which organ in our body pumps blood? That is heart. That is heart, जिसको हम बोलते हैं दिल. Okay, so the heart pumps blood in a human body. Okay, इसलिए जैसे ही हार्ट की फंक्शनिंग रुक जाती है वैसे ही जो इंसान है उसकी बॉडी का फंक्शन भी रुक जाता है. ओके, सो द हार्ट इज़ अ वेरी सेंसिटिव एंड वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट part of the human body and it plays a vital role in the life of a human being. Okay, for मतलब एक इंसान के जिंदा रहने का the main thing is this only heart, हमारा दिल. Okay, that is heart. Moving next to the eighth one. Eighth is, which part of our body has maximum numbers of bones? Okay, so now we are talking about the number of bones in human body. So which part of our body has maximum bones? Okay, so हमारे जो बॉडी पार्ट में बॉडी में जो ह्यूमन बॉडी है उसके किस बॉडी पार्ट में सबसे ज़्यादा बोन्स होती हैं? So the maximum bones in human body is in hand. So we have maximum bones in our hand, हमारे हाथ में. So we have maximum number of bones in our hand. That is हाथ जिसको हम बोलते हैं. That is the eighth one. That is hand. So the maximum number of bones we have in our hand. H-A-N-D. That is in hand. So we have maximum number of bones in our hand. Okay. So these are the answers from 1 to 8. Okay. So moving next. Okay, so we have more time here, so we will talk about the next topic as well. So the next topic we will start, that is whom to consult, given at page number 43. So the next page, the very next page from this topic is given at page number 43. That is whom to consult. Okay, so this is the next one. Page number is 43 and the topic is whom to consult. This is the topic. Whom to consult. किसको consult करें? Okay, so you know, as we have talked about the various parts of human body and we also face some problems with our body parts during some time. Okay, कभी कभी आपने देखा होगा कभी कभार हमें अपने हमारी बॉडी पार्ट्स के साथ बहुत सारी प्रॉब्लम्स भी फेस करनी पड़ती हैं. लाइक समटाइम्स वी फील पेन, समटाइम्स वी फील अनइजीनेस. ओके, सो देयर आर डिफरेंट ऑफ प्रॉब्लम्स दैट अकर्स विद द डिफरेंट पार्ट्स और द डिफरेंट ऑर्गन्स of our body. But okay, so we go to the doctor, okay, so that they can treat them, they can give us proper medicines so where we can get rid of those problems. Okay, but you know, there are certain specialized doctors which are specialized in their own field. Like some are specialized in the problems related to heart, some are some in eyes, some in जिसको ENT, ear, tongue and nose. So they are different doctors. They specialized according to different organs or different body parts. Okay, so in this topic we will discuss about the different specialized doctors from the for the different problems. Okay, so here the heading is given, identifying the kind of doctor whom you will consult if you have a problem with these body parts. So now we are going to talk about the different specialized doctors whom we can consult if we have any problem with any certain body part. Okay, starting with the first one. The first is, you have severe pain in your leg and your mother thinks you have broken one of your bone, okay, while playing the football. So suppose, okay, so here the condition is given. So here they have given the condition that you are having a very severe pain, that you are not able to even bear the pain that you are having in your leg. Okay, and your mother thinks that while you were playing the football, जब आप फुटबॉल खेल रहे थे, at that time unknowingly you have broken the bone in your leg, of your leg. So you are going to consult which doctor? So that means you are going to consult an or you are going to consult an orthopedic surgeon. So you are going to consult an orthopedic surgeon. Okay, especially for bone problems, we always consult an ortho. Ortho means the doctors, those who deals with the problems of, normally we generally we call it ortho, but the complete name is orthopedic surgeon. Okay, this is the first one, that is orthopedic surgeon. ORTHOPEDIC, that is orthopedic surgeon. SURGEON, that is orthopedic surgeon. So we are going to consult the orthopedic surgeon. Okay, so if you have any problem with your bones. Start moving next to the second one. You find it difficult to read what the teacher writes on the board, and the teacher has asked you to consult a doctor. Okay, and this is the second one. So suppose you are in the class and the teacher has write something on the board, and you feel like you are not able to see the each and every word clearly. So you go to the teacher again and again, that ma'am, what is written there, I'm not able to read properly. So then the teacher observes that you are having some problem with your eyes, because the rest of the class is able to see the words, but you are not only able to see the words that are written on the board. So that means you are having some problem with your आइज, आपकी आँख के साथ कोई प्रॉब्लम है, क्योंकि बाकी सारी क्लास को तो नजर आ रहा है, एंड यू आर नॉट एबल टू सी द ईच एंड एवरी वर्ड क्लियरली. सो whom you are going to consult? So then you are going to consult an ophthalmologist. You are going to consult an ophthalmologist. So if you are having the problem with your eyes, okay, suppose you are having some problem like some people they have some like watery eyes and some other problems like this, teary eyes. Okay, so any problem with your eyes, you are going to consult the specialized doctor in the field. The doctor specialized with the eye problem. So that means you are going to consult an ophthalmologist. You are going to consult an ophthalmologist. So second one is ophthalmologist. OPTHALMOLOGIST. So you are going to consult an ophthalmologist. So if you are having some problem with your eyes, you are going to consult an ophthalmologist. Moving next to the third one. You have crooked teeth. Which doctor you are going to consult? Okay, suppose you जैसे खुरदरा टूट जाए due to some accidental, or just unknowingly you have broken one of your teeth, or you have just crooked your teeth somehow. So which specialized doctor you are going to consult? Okay, suppose you are having pain in your teeth, you are having swollen gums. Okay, so you are going to consult a specialized doctor who deals with the problems of teeth or the gums. Okay, so in the normal language we term it as dentist, but the actual word for this specialized doctor who deals with the problems of the teeth, okay, swollen gums, okay, and some the crooked teeth, okay, and if you are having some the jo blackish jisko कहते हैं कीड़ा लग गया है दांत में, so these kinds of problems. Okay, so if you are having any problem with your teeth, with your jaw, with your gums, so bleeding gums, so we are going to consult an dentist, but actually we term it as normally we term it as dentist, but the complete name is orthodontist. Okay, so the real scientific term we use for the doctors, those who deals with the problems of the teeth and the gums, we term them as orthodontist. Orthodontist. This is the third one, that is orthodontist. So if we are having a problem with our teeth, gums or jaw, we are going to consult orthodontist. Clear? This is the third one. Next, the fourth is your father had red rashes on his skin. Okay, so the condition they have given here, that suppose your father is having this reddish, okay, the scratches, the rashes on your skin, red skin, okay, the rashes on his skin. Okay, so whom you are going to consult? Your father often okay, sorry, so which doctor you are going to consult? So that means if someone is facing any problem from with the skin, okay, so suppose they have reddish skin, okay, the skin they have any, ओके, सो दे हैव सर्टेन मार्क्स ऑन द स्किन, ओके, मतलब बहुत सारी स्किन प्रॉब्लम्स होती है, ठीक है, किसी किसी की जो बॉडी में दे मतलब दे ऑलवेज हैव रफी स्किन, सो दे आर सर्टेन प्रॉब्लम्स द पीपल हैव, ओके, विद देयर स्किन. सो the person who is having the problems with their skin, they are going to pay a visit to the doctor that is specialized with the to deal with the problems of skin. So you are going to consult a dermatologist. Okay, so the doctor who is specialized or who deals with the problems of the skin, okay, skin problems से जो deal करते हैं, they are known as dermatologist. Okay, so देखिए dermatologist, ओके, सो यू हैव हर्ड, मतलब आपने एक ऐड भी देखी, द पाउडर एड ड्यूरिंग द समर स्पेशली, सो डर्मिकूल एड यू मस्ट हैव सीन. सो वी अप्लाई द डर्मिकूल ऑन आर स्किन, मतलब हम अपने बॉडी में अप्लाई करते हैं, द पाउडर वी अप्लाई ऑन आर बॉडी, सो ऑन द स्किन. सो दैट डर्मी वर्ड इज टेकन फ्रॉम दिस डर्मेटोलॉजिस्ट ओनली. ओके, सो द पर्सन हैविंग प्रॉब्लम with their skin, okay, or someone is having any skin disease, they are going to visit dermatologist. That is dermatologist. That is the fourth one, that is dermatologist. You are going to consult a dermatologist. We are going to consult a dermatologist. Okay, moving next to the last one. Your grandfather often complains of extreme tiredness and discomfort in his chest. Okay, so they have given the condition that your grandfather, who is very old age, who is of very old age, he oftenly feels extreme tiredness. कभी कभी उनको बहुत ज़्यादा थकावट महसूस होती है विदाउट एनी वर्क, ओके, एंड डिसकम्फर्ट इन हिज चेस्ट, और उनकी चेस्ट में उनको एक अनकम्फर्टेबल और डिसकम्फर्ट फील होता है. सो ही वॉन्ट्स दैट ही वॉन्ट दैट उनको ये प्रॉब्लम से राहत मिले. सो whom you are going to you are going to take him to the which doctor? Okay, so you are going to consult a cardiologist. So cardiologist is doctor who deals with the problems, or who deals with the problems of heart and chest. Okay, so who deals with the problem of heart and chest? That is he is cardiologist. That is cardiologist. Okay, so this doctor, they deals with the problems of heart and chest. They deals with the problem of heart and chest. Okay, so if someone is facing any problem with the heart or the chest disease, or any extreme tiredness or discomfort in their chest, they are going to consult a cardiologist. So this is the list of 5 doctors, or the 5 specialized doctors whom we are going to consult if someone is having some specialized problem with certain organs of their body. So the first one is orthopedic surgeon, who deals with the problem of pain, orthopedic surgeon, so they deals with the problems of bones. Second is ophthalmologist, they deals with the problem that someone is facing with their eyes. Okay, so they are the doctors. Ophthalmologists are the doctors, those who deals with the problem if someone is facing with their eyes. Third is orthodontist, they deals with the problem that someone is having their teeth, jaw, like the dentist जिसको हम बोलते हैं, but actual term is orthodontist. Next is dermatologist, they deals with the problems, or they deals with the patients, those who are suffering with any skin diseases, any kind of skin diseases, they are going to consult a dermatologist. Last not the least, that is cardiologist. So the cardiologist, they deals with the patients. Okay, so they look after them. They are specialized doctors for the patients who are suffering with the problem of chest and heart and lungs. Okay, so they are known as, these doctors, specialized doctors are known as cardiologists. Okay, class. So this was our today's session. So with this, I'm just ending the session here only. So I'll see you again very soon in our next session. So till then, everybody, have a good day.